Welcome back. I hope you have installed the Unreal Engine, and now if you have different versions of Unreal Engine and you want to set the favorite version of your engine as your default, so you can simply select this and set as current. As I have different versions of Unreal Engine 4.24 and 4.26, so I want to set 4.26 as my default. You can launch the Unreal Engine from here, either you can also launch from the desktop. So launch the Unreal Engine, and now we will create the project. So here you can see the Unreal Engine project browser, and these are the recent projects on which I am working. So if you are opening the Unreal Engine for the first time, you will not see this option, but you will see these options: new project categories. As we are going to develop third person shooter game, so select the game, click on next, and here you will see different templates which Unreal Engine provide us. So as we are going to create game from scratch, I will select the blank. You can also select the third person, so as we will use this template in future to import the mannequin of Unreal Engine. But before importing that template, I will show you in future. But first click on blank, click on next, and we are going to develop game through blueprints. So select the blueprints and maximum quality, disable the ray tracing, and also select the desktop qualities, as we are going to develop game for our desktop or console. And with starter contents, it contains some level design, some blueprints, some meshes, and name the project TPS, that's mean third person shooter game demo, and just click on create project. So here you can see the main interface of Unreal Engine. This is content browser. All the content which we import from other softwares or any other material will be shown here. You can also adjust its size from, say, dock it where you want, and if you want to reset it, just go to Windows and from load layout to default editor. And all the actors like geometry, that's mean cube, cylinder, lights, cinematics, cameras, visual effects are here. And this is the word outliner. All the things which we import from content browser to into viewport will be shown here, just as you can see floor, chair, and the properties relevant to this chair are shown here. Perfect. So if you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can use the mouse wheel, and if you want to orbit around, just hold down the left mouse key. And if you want to look up and down, you can use mouse right key. And if you want to move up and down, just hold mouse left key and right key simultaneously or together, and you can move around. You can also use the up arrow keys and down keys, or just hold the left mouse key and press W, S, A, and D. You can scale, rotate the object by selecting these options. If you want to rotate, just from here you can rotate. You can scale the objects from here to here by selecting this. And if you want to show the FPS, just select this option and FPS are shown here. So as I assume that you have basic or little knowledge of Unreal Engine or any 3D software, so you can easily move around. So that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will start building our level and set the setting for our project. See you in next lecture.